A shocking incident in Mexico has drawn global attention after social media influencer César Gastélum was shot dead while live streaming on TikTok outside a fast food restaurant in Culiacan. What began as a routine online broadcast quickly turned into a tragic scene when armed attackers arrived at the location and opened fire while Gastélum was reportedly still connected to his audience. Gastélum, who was known for posting comedy videos and entertaining content on TikTok, was streaming live with two friends on Tuesday when two men reportedly approached the group on a motorcycle. According to reports, one of the suspects moved towards Gastélum and shot him at close range before both attackers escaped from the area. The sudden attack shocked viewers who were watching the live stream and quickly caused concern among his followers and social media users. The incident has renewed discussions about violence against public figures in Mexico and the risk faced by people who share their lives publicly online. Following the shooting, police arrived at the scene and began investigation into the circumstances surrounding the killing. Authorities initially believed the victim was a delivery worker because Gastélum and his friends were wearing bright yellow jackets and carrying delivery bags at the time of the attack. However, investigators later confirmed that the victim was César Gastélum, a social media influencer with a significant online following. Police have not announced any arrests connected to the killing. Investigators are currently examining evidence gathered from the crime scene, including cartridge casings recovered after the shooting. They are also reviewing CCTV footage from the area in an effort to identify the attackers and understand how the incident happened. Authorities have not released details about a possible motive behind the attack. It remains unclear whether Gastélum had received threats before the shooting or whether the attack was connected to his activities as a social media personality. The investigation is ongoing as police attempt to determine who was responsible and why the influencer was targeted. The killing has caused widespread reactions because of the unusual circumstances surrounding the attack. Unlike many violent incidents that happen away from public view, Gastélum's death occurred during a live stream, meaning viewers were connected to the broadcast at the time of the attack. The incident highlights the growing challenges faced by online personalities who have become increasingly visible through platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and other social media networks. While social media has allowed creators to build careers and connect with millions of followers, it has also increased their public exposure. Some experts have warned that sharing personal locations, daily activities, and routines online can create additional security risk. However, investigators have not confirmed whether Gastélum's online presence played any role in the attack. The case is now part of a wider pattern of violent incidents involving social media personalities in Mexico. In May 2025, beauty influencer Valeria Marquez was shot dead while live streaming on TikTok from a beauty salon in Zapopan. The 23-year-old influencer was reportedly broadcasting to her followers when she was attacked, causing international attention and renewed concern about the safety of online creators. Another influencer, Livado El Gordo Peruxi Esporo, was killed in Culiacan in December 2024. The repeated attacks involving public figures have raised questions about security, crime, and the dangers faced by individuals who gain public recognition online. Mexico has struggled with high levels of violence in some regions, with organized crime and criminal groups contributing to insecurity in several areas. Culiacan, where Gastélum was killed, is located in Sinaloa, a state that has long faced security challenges linked to criminal activity. However, authorities have not stated that organized crime was responsible for Gastélum's death. Police investigators are expected to examine all possible explanations, including personal disputes, criminal connections, or other motives. The search for answers continues as authorities analyze evidence and gather information from witnesses. The two suspects who reportedly arrived on a motorcycle remain unidentified, and police have not provided details about their possible identities. Investigators will likely rely on CCTV footage, forensic evidence, and witness accounts to trace the attackers. for Gastélum families, friends, and followers. The tragedy has left many searching for answers about why the influencer was killed. Many followers have expressed sadness and shock, remembering him for the comedy videos and entertainment content he shared online. His death has also sparked conversation about the responsibility of social media users to consider personal safety while creating content. Security specialists often advise public figures to be careful about revealing real-time locations and personal information that could make them vulnerable. However, the responsibility for preventing violence remains with authorities and criminal justice system tasked with protecting citizens and investigating crimes. The killing of César Gastélum is another reminder of the dangers associated with rising violence in some parts of Mexico. As the investigation continues, authorities will face pressure to identify the attackers and provide justice for the victim. The case also raises broader questions about the safety of influencers, the impact of online fame, and the challenges of protecting public figures in an increasingly connected world. For now, police investigations remain active as officials work to uncover the motive behind the attack and bring those responsible to justice. The world continues to watch as more details emerge about the tragic final moments of César Gastélum's live stream. What do you think about this shocking incident? Do you believe social media influencers face greater risk because of their public visibility? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to First Next News Nigeria for more international news, security updates, and major stories from around the world. I'm Chidera Isom. Thanks for watching and do have a beautiful day.